We will now proceed with the screen replacement for the HP 6c73el. First, turn off your computer, unplug it if needed, and carefully remove the battery. Now remove these two little plastic covers which hide two screws. You will need this kind of tools. Maybe for this first two, a bigger one. Yep. Now gently start detaching the case from your PC with the help of one of these tools. Okay, maybe it's better for here. And then help yourself with your hands. Right, be careful here because of the camera, don't go too much into. Now the problem is that there is some glue all around, so you have to carefully stick it out. Okay. Here. Now, after removing the frame, you have to screw these two. Carefully save your screws. So that these lateral screws are now available, let's say. I suggest you to use magnetized screwdrivers if you have, because they're really little. Okay, as you can see here, it's detached, removes. This is the first side. Now we have to do the second one. Where to start? From the bottom, I suggest. Oh, nice. There's a magnet here, which is giving me some troubles. Okay. Maybe it's there for a reason. Not to lose all these screws, but anyway. Fantastic. Be careful while unscrewing the last screws, because your screen will start detaching. Not that it is useful anymore, I hope, otherwise why are you substituting it? But okay guys, technical problems. After finishing a screen, lay your screen very gently on the cloth you put on the keyboard, and the real troubling tricky phase is the detaching of this connector, which took me some time. What I can say you is that there are two scotches, one on the other. You have first to pull the upper one and then very carefully pull the second one, because the connector is not included with the screen. So be very careful detaching. It's not really tight, the connection, but the scotch is really tough. The tape is really tough. Okay, so you can then remove your old screen from the stage. And same way, put the new one here. Okay. Now fit in connector, helping yourself with a little bit of scotch. And actually, I suggest you to put even some more tape on it, just as it was in the previous screen, because it's a really fragile part. Okay. Back in place. One, two, three, and four. Five, six, okay, fine. Just to try, before putting everything back, plug in your battery, remove the protective film, and turn off the computer. And yes, the screen is working. Here you go. Bye guys.